Hello, this is Martin. You know me from my series on how to pay off your car loan in 36 months without giving up Starbucks or being cheap. Some of you have been watching my other ones where you've watched where I talked about how I had my car loan down to $5,970 and I paid that off in about 8 months. Or you're looked at my other ones where you talked about my student loan, which was at about $93,407 in about 2014, and now it's down to $32,789. Well, today I'm just going to say, so who's looking for a new job today? Who's called someone on the phone today? Who's emailed on someone's phone today to try to make some money? Well, that's what I've been doing. So far, I got up since about 8 o'clock. I've been on the phone calling people up, trying to find ways to make some extra money. I also texted one person and he sent me back a schedule for me to work at the BNP tennis tournament. So for the next 3 weekends minimum, and this March I'll be working. So see if I can make another $700 after taxes. And then I'm going to do my taxes about March 31st. So we'll see if I'm going to owe or if I'm going to get anything back. So it usually costs me about $450. I go to H&R Block because I got to do the Schedule A, all the other. I got to do so many Schedule D, Schedule A, 1099. So I'm going to be there a while. But today, like I told you, I was a coward, man. I was afraid of sales, but you know what? I need to go out and fail more, man. I was just driving along the street here. Signs for rent, signs for rent. I've realized you can't you got to think for people. You basically got to, I saw Coca-Cola, all these other companies, Coca-Cola, United, American Airlines, the porn industry. What do? Just saturate you. Hey, we're going to teach you how to make love as a couple. We're going to take you off like porn. We're going to teach you how to make love as a couple. Going to take you off on some bizarre stuff. Hey, we'll take you for a look in the path. And if you want, hey, you want to buy some toys and clothes too? Just wrap them up. That's what I learned from Grant too. Just give them clothes. Just give them everything where they don't have to look around in this busy world. Because once you let a person's mind start to wander, most people can't make a decision. And then you got people living paycheck to paycheck. Like I told you, I was afraid to give $20 to some guys. I had just blown $85 in Vegas. And I'm worried about giving $20 to a couple of kids raising money for a function. And then I saw a couple walk by the Girl Scout. Oh, we can't pay. I saw an older couple. I was thinking, well, they probably got to buy dog food, man. So if they can't buy Girl Scout cookies, no telling what kind of dog food they're eating. Remember that was that old rumor, old people used to eat dog food and stuff? I ate dog food because I used to have dogs. Not that bad. I mean, I would not want to make it a delicacy, but if you want to have fun with your dog and have fun with your dogs, I had Rex and Fatso and Butterball, then you can do that kind of stuff. But today I'm just gonna call, and then I'm gonna go back to my office. I got a little mentor session on the phone for a group that I'm with, the Grant Cardone Mental Group, and then I'm gonna look at all my jobs that are just commission, and I gotta start building my scripts, and then I gotta get a script where I can go visit the dental offices, because you just gotta go out and just ask people for the money. It's okay if they think you're begging. You are begging. I realize, I am begging. I'm driving around in my car today, going to the site. I need you to do this. I need you to do that. I'm begging. Please do this. Please do this right, because if not, I got to go find another job and do something else. This weekend, I'll be at the tennis tournament. I don't know if I'm going to be a bartender. I mean, I've been like a bartender. I've made hot dogs, put pretzels in this giant, well, it's not really a giant oven. It's a K3 shelf oven. Got to wear these big baker glove things to put them in. What else have I done? I've moved stuff around, pack coolers, margaritas, rum and cokes, all that type of stuff. So don't tell them what I'm going to do. But but I've got to get out the house, like you said. Like I say, sometimes you got to just give up the weekends, man. Like I'm driving all these signs, like I told you about the Macy's layoff, Pier 1 Import. Just think if you drive by, hey, that used to be like a place where a lot of people are. Now there's no one there. And just think about the gas station, the liquor store, All the places around it used to depend on all those employees who went there. Now they got to go out and find a way to get their business. So what should you do? Hey, I see like you're in your dental office, your office or whatever. Have you considered looking for something? So you kind of go out and like get the process started. Like I say, I'm learning how to get myself out of obscurity, follow up. But when people see you have money, you got confidence, they hate you, man. Now, if you're like a guy who's just like a no threat to them, they're like, hey, it's our buddy, you're a wimp. And then if you think you have a little bit of talent, haters, man. They don't want to talk to you, walk past you, close the elevator door on you. Just like, what's up, man? You gotta hate that guy. Why you gotta hate on the brother, man? Haven't a brother been hated? You had 200 years. I've got 200 years of hate, man. Come on, man. Give the brother a break. But like Grant says, you got to get them to criticize you, hate you, then they adore you. That's why this month I'm going to break $12,528, man. That's the extra money I got to make. Only way I can make that is going out to the market, being a pest, just like those girls at the Girl Scout cookies. Want to buy the cookies? My cookies is, hey, can I set some appointments for you to close so you can get more money, so you can get more employees, so you can get more resources to keep your business growing. So tell me, I want you guys to subscribe, comment, like. What do you think, man? Who's out there in sales? Who's on the phone calling the dentist's office? Hey, this is Tina from Dr. Tom's office, or Dr. Lim's office, Torrance, California, or Loma Linda, California. That's where I went all the time. Just, hey, I need some help. I need you to come in. I need you to come in and get some teeth work done so I can get paid. I know you don't want to come in, but come on, your teeth is fucked up. Come on in. Come on in. Breath is stinking. Get in here. So you got to learn how to tell people what to do. So that's my focus of the week. I'm out prospecting. Kind of like forgot my password on this stupid iPad. Ugh. I think I know what it is. I'm trying to do like they do on TV, looking at all the things, and it's okay. I got 4 minutes. 4 minutes to finish this up, and I got to go back to trying to figure out my iPad password. But who's out there looking for a job? Who's on the phone today at your office calling set leads? I've done that. I've sat in my phone. I wish I was strong as calling people up for home decorating. Hey, this is Martin. Can we come home and do some clean your carpets and stuff? And I know these people living with dogs. They got 4 or 5 people in their house. Shit's on the floor. And they're like, oh, no, I don't want anything to clean. Your house is dirty. Especially if you're an older couple. You need somebody to clean that. You have a little dog. Why do you have a dog? You don't have any money. Clean out apartments. So when you move out, you get some type of your deposit back. I mean, you just got to like be real with people, man. People just do bizarre stuff, man. You know, like look at that. I told you I looked up. What was it online? They're talking about selling food, like the 99 cent store that came about because there's a place they used to sell more like the food that maybe not expired, things that didn't sell, or you have the cans that are dented. And the supermarkets didn't want to sell them. So that's how the 99 cent store came about. And then it kept evolving and kept evolving. Now, most of the stuff there don't even cost. You can't get anything under $2 or anything under $3 now. So that's why I think it's funny. And then like Target, I remember Target was just like a cheap place. Now you go there, I got Mercedes, Maseratis, all type of stuff parked in front of the Target because people don't have any money, man. They got nice cars, but after you paid it, like in my day, the car dealers used to make sure you could pay for your car and your incidentals. Now they just care if you pay for your car. Now, if you pay for your rent and pay for the food, they don't care. But I want to be able for you to go out and shop at least at Target. Target's not bad, though, because sometimes the supermarkets, they jack up stuff. Don't shop at the CVS if you want to buy proxy brushes, dental type stuff. I mean, they had like their $4 brand. I hate it. I'm going to just have to go to Albertson and buy the regular. They're like doubling the price and stuff. I mean, it's some crazy stuff going out there. See, that's what happens when you can't sell. That's what happens when you got to go out there and call people. Just giving them coupons, that ain't going to make them come. You got to remind them they don't have any money. You got to say, hey, you should come here to save time. Hey, why do you want to go there? Use us both. You got to just teach people to expand their mind. So like me this week, I'm going to go out and fail more, talk to more people, just ask for what I need. What can I do to help you with your business? This is what I have to offer. The reason why is this. Because you know what? If you don't know how to sell, Don't be a coward like me and not know how to sell. Improve your sales skills, because I'm going to a boot camp in Miami to learn some more sales skills. But for the next 4 or 5 months, I just go out there, talk to the people. This is what I got. Starts off this weekend, but hey, why should I wait for Saturday to make money? Let's see what I can get done. Subscribe, comment, like. Let me know what you think.